Hi, it's me, Kevin again. Today, let's talk about your new device. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, this is a MacBook Pro. It can be a MacBook Air or iPhone or iPad. Right? What you need to do right after you got a new device, it can be you buy it yourself from company lucky draw or a gift from a family member. You should do immediately, right? Is to unwrap, unbox, turn it on, test the battery, and charge the battery. Why you should do that, right? Is because, right, if the battery is inactive, we say not using for long period of time, for months and years, the battery could suddenly just not working anymore, or what we say die off. Because lithium battery is like that. You need to keep using it, keep it active. It's like your car. Even though you don't drive it, you have to start your car, let the engine run, so the battery is working. Same concept with your Mac, with your iPhone, and with your iPad. All right, it doesn't matter. It could be a used or it could be a new device. Treat them the same. Don't keep them too long inside a drawer or inside a cabinet, or just leave them there. Make sure once a while, not too long lah. Maybe every 2 weeks or maximum every 4 weeks, turn them on, use the battery and charge them. So your device will last longer. The battery lah, of course. Okay, that's all for today.